AWeber MailerLite. Two big names in email marketing, but which one really delivers? On the left, AWeber, dependable email marketing for small businesses. On the right, MailerLite, modern automation for growing brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each category earns points, and in the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me show you how we're going to size these up. We're looking at price, features and automation, integrations, email design and usability, reporting and analytics, customer support, and yeah, how well these scale if your little side hustle suddenly blows up. All right, got your categories in mind? Let's jump into the first one. Let's talk money, because, budgets matter. So AWeber gives you a free plan up to 500 subscribers. Not bad, and their pricing is super straightforward. But here's the catch. Their paid plans? Yep, a bit pricier and honestly kinda skimpy on the features for what you're paying. You also don't get too many emails per month on that free tier. Now, over to MailerLite, and this is pretty sweet. They bump up the free plan to 1,000 subscribers and like 12,000 emails a month. Paid tiers are much kinder to your wallet, with way more features included. Although, a quick heads up, some contact limits can get annoying, and yeah, they do gatekeep a few features behind higher plans. But for price, gotta say, MailerLite takes this round. Next up, features and automation. That's where a lot of the magic happens, right? So AWeber has solid, stable automation tools. Tons of templates. Gets the job done for personalization. But it's kind of like bringing a flip phone to an iPhone party. The automation is basic, a little stuck in the past. Not a lot of advanced triggers. Now, MailerLite? This is where things get exciting. Their drag-and-drop editor is legit modern, and their automation builder feels super intuitive. Plus, you're getting dynamic segmentation and way better landing page options. Only gripe, sometimes the email editor gets a little wobbly. And if you need transactional emails, there's a catch. But overall, MailerLite kinda runs circles here. Let's talk integrations, because, what's an email app if it won't play nice with your other software? AWeber swoops in with over 700 integrations. Seriously, that covers e-commerce, CRMs, and a whole bunch more. Pretty awesome, but just a heads up, some of these might need Zapier or a little tinkering. MailerLite, meanwhile, offers 139 direct integrations. It plays well with core marketing apps, and setup's pretty simple. Still, compared to AWeber's monster list, it feels, well, kind of limited. So, point goes to AWeber here for sheer volume. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. MailerLite lets you build entire websites and even blogs right from their dashboard. Yep, not just emails, saving you time and probably a few headaches. On to email design and usability, because if it's ugly, no one's reading it, right? AWeber has loads of templates and a smart designer, so you're covered for variety. But let's be real, the editor can be a bit slow, and the whole interface is showing its age. There's also more of a learning curve if you're new to this stuff. MailerLite flips the script here. It's sleek, modern, super intuitive, and beginner-friendly. The drag-and-drop builder is actually fun to use, and templates? Gorgeous. Only thing is, occasionally the editor has little hiccups, and if you're going all in with advanced designs, you may need some HTML skills. But yeah, MailerLite wins for design and usability, no question. Okay, how about reporting and analytics? AWeber dishes out some nice, detailed reporting, think deliverability, open rates, A/B testing, but I've noticed their numbers for open and click rates can lag a bit compared to others. MailerLite hits back with a powerful analytics dashboard and really solid performance metrics, though some power users notice that it's not as super granular as the high-end players. So honestly, these both hold their own here. Let's just call it a tie. Customer support. The lifeline when things go sideways. AWeber shines with live chat, email, phone, and even free migration. Heck, they'll assign you a personalized account manager if you need it. Only hitch is, during busy times, support can drag its feet a bit. MailerLite does email and chat. Plus, their help docs are actually useful, but no phone support, and their migration tools don't quite measure up. So, AWeber absolutely takes it here for support. Last up, scalability and growth. AWeber is honestly perfect when your list is small or you're just kicking things off. But if your business suddenly nabs a bunch of subscribers and you want more features, yeah, it doesn't really scale so well. Now, MailerLite shines bright for fast-growing brands. Flexible plans, more powerful features as you level up, although sometimes there's system hiccups if you're importing huge lists or blasting lots of emails at once. Still, MailerLite wins for growth potential. Let's take a step back and look at the overall score, right? MailerLite ends up leading the pack across most categories, especially when it comes to cost, features, design, and scalability. AWeber keeps up with integrations and customer support, but really shines for folks who want stability and classic reliability. So on the radar chart, you'll see MailerLite edges ahead almost everywhere. So in my opinion, if you want a modern, growing your list kind of experience, MailerLite is the winner. The automation is smarter, designs are just prettier, and hey, your wallet's going to thank you. If customer support and tried and true stability top your list, though, AWeber still deserves respect. But for most folks looking into 2025, MailerLite is where it's at. All right, was this comparison useful? Let me know what other email tools you want to see head-to-head. Drop your thoughts or requests, and you know what? Maybe hit subscribe. See you in the next one.